How do you know if a number is divisible by 2? If all even numbers are divisible by 2. So how do you know if a number is divisible by 2? If it ends with an even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Any number that ends with these 5 digits is an even number. So before you divide a number, or you want to check if it's divisible by 2, especially when you are factoring. For example, if you have 612 divided by 145 and you want to think of a common factor, okay? Look at the number. Is this divisible by 2? Is this divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is an even number. So this is divisible by 2. Is this divisible by 2? No, because the last digit is not an even number. So you can't factor this fraction using 2. Okay, so let's say these numbers, if this is an even number, 652. Yes, it is. The last digit is even, so the whole number is even. 947. Is this divisible by 2? No, because the last digit is not even, so the whole number is not an even number. That will help you when factoring, looking for simplifying fractions or anything. Okay, so the divisibility rule of 2 says if a number is even, which means the last digit is an even number, the number is divisible by 2. So this is what I want you to do. Tell me which of these numbers are even. Okay, just leave the comment and let me know which of these number are even. Okay, so we have 382 again, or 328, and then I have 655 and 949. So which of them are even?